We are trying to make our area more inclusive for people with learning disability to live happier and healthier lives, and we're trying to do that by working with the community using asset-based community development principles, so working together.
We nominated Joey because she's brilliant and she embodies everything that we're trying to create in terms of MenCap and community-led ways of working. She really believes in people and really believes in their ability to know the solutions for themselves.
I love seeing what happens when you empower people to do things in their community. People always have really, really good ideas, but maybe because they've not done that before in the past, they don't really have the confidence to make that idea like something real. My job's really lovely because it means that I can give people the tools to be part of positive change in their community and show them that their ideas are really valuable.
I think Joey's been really brave in the way she's invested in people and enabled people to try things perhaps they haven't before. That's both individuals with a learning disability but also community groups as well. Joey's really great at her job because of her capacity to build relationships. That's the start and end of it, really.